Yo, it's your host with the most, Little B, back on the channel here at Brownsville ENT, and I got another shoe review for you guys, so boom, let's do this. Straight into this, I got something special for you guys. I got two pairs. We're gonna do a double edition today. I got two pairs of Reeboks. Now these Reeboks are special, limited edition. Like you can see, Reebok. Something a little different about these. This box is super cool because simply these are the Tom and Jerry edition. So you can see I got a pair of Instant Pump Furies, and I also got a pair of Club C Revenge. Okay, this. Just look at it. Like, the box is completely covered in character details. Jerry face, Tom, some cheese, a toaster, a hammer, like just all the little antics that they've had throughout the show. Mechanical dog trap, mouse trap, all that. It's a pretty dope, pretty creatively done box. There we go. And let's go ahead and start off with the Instant Pump Fury. Yes, sir. Ordered these a few days ago, just got them in again a few days ago, and I'm uploading this review today. So, starting straight off, as you can see, color blocking is crazy. We got green, gray, another hint of gray, some white on that sole here, all across the sole. Black toe tip. But that ain't even the best part. The better part is the fact that got a little faux fur on it. We got some faux fur here. I can't really tell you what this green is any type of reminiscent of as far as the show goes. That's just that fur. You know, these are clearly a nod to Tom the cat. The pump part of the shoe got some clear nods to both Tom and Jerry. I believe Tom is on the Tom is on this right shoe as Jerry's face is on the left. Okay. Here on these tongue tabs, we got Tom and Jerry spelled out in this iconic lettering from the show, as well as on the heel tabs, also Tom and Jerry going across there. These shoes are super. Oh, look at this. On the heel, we got some weapons that the characters would have used in the show. So we got bats on the Tom right shoe, and we have, you know, what is that? I had a pound sign, question mark, exclamation mark. You know, some of the quote unquote when they used to get bopped in the head and stuff like that, or when they were screaming and all that other jazz as they fought. Even across the shoe, you can see little quick nods, like a little band-aid or with tape, whatever that is, some scratches here. And take these shoe horns out real quick so I can get to the Jerry shoes. If you look on the inside of the sole, the insole, super crazy, right? Tom with a big old knot on his head, like that golfing episode. Probably one of my favorite episodes, for real. So that's the character of Tom there, and then we got some OG stuff going on right here. Certain episodes, Tom will be drawing stuff out. These are blueprints, the blueprint nod. You know, here you can see Tom the cat, got like little devices and setups you want to go about it. So yeah, boom. Tom Insta Furies going crazy. Now let's get into Club C Revenge. Once again, shoebox got all types of details from the character themselves. Okay, cool. So, boom, low top Reeboks. We going crazy. Straight out the box, we looking at another furry-ish texture across the shoe. Across the shoe here, brown laces, because of course Jerry's a brown mouse. On the back, same like Tom did on his shoes, little nods that they usually would use in the show. Right shoe, be my right left shoe, but in my right hand, that back heel tab has a bomb, and again that left or right shoe. In my left hand, whatever you want to say. You got the explicit. You got the pound sign, question mark, and the exclamation mark. Brown shoe outside, as you can already see a little bit there. That inside is pink. Look back at these characters and look at the inside of Jerry's ears. You know, brown on the outside, pink on the inside. That's what that is. Here on this outside, you can see it says Tom and Jerry there, as well as on the outside of that shoe. Blue. Right. And the nice nod here is that Jerry actually has his face on the tongue. I'm gonna zoom in on that. So let's get into the inside of the shoe. So just like with the Toms, take that, take this shoe. So just like with the Toms, Jerry also has the insoles are detailed. That's cool. That's super cool. So if you can see, it's like I've never used one in real life, but I want like with an ink well or just a, you know, like old school ink pens. You would have to dip it, extract the ink, and then be able to write. So that's what that. I don't know what to call it. Tell me what it's really called in the comments below. That's that. Of course, again on the blue insoles, like blueprints. So clearly Jerry probably drawn something out. And then in this shoe going out of here. Ooh. I don't like that noise. Ripping stuff. Okay. The inside of this shoe. Boom. Off of a pink insole, but you see we got Jerry hammering. You know, imagine if that was Tom's head where the letterings is. So that's cool. Oh, and the bottom is like Swiss cheese, baby. Can't have a mouse without his cheese. True, true. One thing Jerry was always going for: milk, cheese, or probably just to mess with Tom. Whatever it is. So, in closing, I just want to go ahead and wrap this up. It was super quick. I don't know. Take too much at a time of y'all day, you know what I'm saying? Just want to show this off. Once again, bringing content to the channel. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see more exclusive type shoes. I could do reviews on those all day, baby. All day. So let's get a catalog look of what we looking at right now. The outsole, insole, outsole in, I don't know. It is what it is. Let's just get this picture right here, boy. Got the Jerry, Reebok Revenge. Got the Tom and Fury. So, once again, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching the video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. Share this across all social platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, I don't know, wherever else, Tumblr.
You set my soul on fire.
So thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for watching another shoe review from me, host with the most, Lil B, here on this channel. I really think these shoes are super dope, super iconic now to one of my favorite shows growing up. Even though it came out in the 40s, I grew up watching it in the 90s and every iteration. Chuck Jones version was probably my favorite iteration of animation styles for this. But nonetheless, Tom and Jerry is an OG cartoon. So, if y'all don't know nothing about it now, I hope watching this video gets you in tune for it. You can watch those episodes here on YouTube or buy a box set and watch it the DVD, Blu-ray, I don't know, Blu-ray, whatever. However you guys can get to it. Just know that these are clear nods to the characters that a lot of us grew up with. So, once again, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. And I will catch y'all next time. Peace.